Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I will show you how to fix gamepad or controller not working in Destiny 2 The Edge of Fate game. So let's go ahead. So the first method is to restart your PC or Steam. For that, go to Steam folder, click on Steam and then click on exit option. Next, click on Windows option over here. Click on power and then select restart. This will restart your PC, and after this check if the issue is resolved. If not, the next method is to update controller drivers. For that you first need to connect your PC and controller and then go to the search option and search for device manager. After this go below and expand human interface devices. Now right click on here and select update driver. After this click on search automatically for drivers. This will install the latest driver on your PC, and after this check if the issue is resolved. If not, then move to the next solution, that is to enable and disable Steam input. For that you have to go to the Steam, select the game under library section, right click on it, select properties and then go to controller. Here you can see use default settings. Click on the arrow icon and then click on enable Steam input and then check if the error is resolved. If not, then simply again go here and click on disable Steam input and then check if the issue is resolved or not. If not, the next solution is to verify integrity of game files. For that again go to Steam, under library option select your game, right click on it and select properties. Go to the install files tab and here click on verify integrity of game files. After this check if the problem that you are facing is resolved or not. Next solution is to check for game update. Whatever game you are playing, check if any update is available, as the developers often releases the updates to fix bugs or various glitches. So if any update is available, update the game and then check if it's working. The next solution is to update Windows. For that you need to go to the search option. Here look for check for updates option. This will open the interface where you can check whether Windows need any update. Simply click on check for updates option and if any update is available, simply click on update and update your Windows to the latest version. The next and final solution is to install DS4 Windows tool. I have given the link in the description. Just go through it, open it on your browser and download and install the DS4 Windows on PC. After this check if this works for you. So all these solutions are suggested to follow and fix gamepad or controller not working on Destiny 2 The Edge of Fate game. So that's all for now. Thank you.